ओके चलो लेट्स डू वन थिंग. अभी हम यहाँ पे एक स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करेंगे. ओके, आर यू गाइज रेडी? हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ लाइव बूटस्ट्रैप. एंड आज का ये पहला एपिसोड है एंड इट्स रियली स्पेशल टू मी बिकॉज आज हम जा रहे हैं अशोका यूनिवर्सल स्कूल, जहाँ से मेरी ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत हुई थी. From my 3rd grade till my 10th standard, I was in that school, and today I have been invited there as a chief guest speaker to motivate the 10th standard students to choose their upcoming careers, fields, and give them a little intro about entrepreneurship and startups. So basically, I wanted to start my vlogging journey at the start of this year, जो मैंने न्यू ईयर्स रेजोल्यूशन भी रखा था. But as usual, resolutions are a myth. And actually I was trying to figure out कि what should be the niche and what kind of videos I can make, trying to get better in front of camera, but वो सब नहीं हो पाया. एंड फाइनली आई डिसाइडेड कि जो होगा जैसे होगा, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट. एंड इन द प्रोसेस करते जाएंगे इम्प्रूव इन टर्म्स ऑफ वीडियो क्वालिटी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एडिटिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यूज़िक, जो भी होगा आप सबका फीडबैक मिलते जाएगा और उस हिसाब से हम उसे इम्प्रूव भी करते जाएंगे. सो ये जो चैनल है लाइव बूटस्ट्रैप, इट्स जस्ट लाइक कि आई हैव स्टार्टेड another life. This is life giving me another chance to do something new, and I love to keep learning, I love to keep exploring new fields, and finally personal branding का ही ज़माना है, so why stay behind? And so I'll be uploading one vlog and one informative or educational video about entrepreneurship and startups every week. I would be uploading informative reels and shorts on Instagram as well as on YouTube. So please do support, do share, do like these videos, and चलिए देखते हैं what else we can do, and do suggest me some topics on which you think I should speak about or work on. अशोका हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन रियली क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. पूरा बचपन वहाँ बीता है, सारे दोस्त वहाँ थे, पहली दोस्ती, पहला प्यार, एवरीथिंग. It's all where it started, and so when I received the call, I was so overwhelmed with joy. In the first instance, I said yes, I would love to do that. Actually उन्होंने मुझे 1 घंटे बाद बुलाया है. It's 8 o'clock. They have asked me to reach by 8:45, but I really wanted to live those days again. From the assembly, morning prayers, I wanted to like go through everything all again. बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल रहेगा मेरे लिए ये सब, because 10 साल हो गए. 2015 में हमने जब लास्ट टाइम वी मेट एट दी फेयरवेल पार्टी, उसके बाद अब तक तो भी मैंने विज़िट नहीं किया है अशोका में. सो कभी आते जाते दिख जाती है स्कूल, काफ़ी सारे एक्सटर्नल चेंजेस भी दिखते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन वाइज. आज अंदर से पता चलेगा व्हाट थिंग्स हैव बीन चेंज्ड. सो थोड़ा सा इमोशनल राइड तो रहेगा आज. सारी पुरानी यादें ताज़ा होने वाली है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव लेफ्ट अर्ली. मुझे पूरा मतलब आई वांट टू लिव दोज डेज अगेन. आई वांट टू बिगिन विथ सुबह के जो प्रेयर्स रहते थे, हाउ मच वी यूज्ड टू हैव फन एंड ऑल, एंड ऑल्सो I wanted to meet my old teachers. I wanted to spend some time with them, because अगर मैं सीधा 8:45 को आ जाता तो I wouldn't have gotten so much time कि मैं सबसे मिल पाता, सबके हाल चाल पूछ पाता. So अभी जल्दी जा रहा हूँ तो होप सो उनसे मिल पाऊँगा और होप सो वो सब रहे वहाँ पे। टीचर्स बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज होते रहते हैं स्कूल्स में। चलो देन लेट्स सी एंड लेट्स रीच देयर एज सून एज पॉसिबल।
One was like you only, wearing similar type of uniform few years before, walking through the corridors and taking lessons from us.
Okay, now allow me to take a point. Not with the colors, but with the words. I would like to introduce formal introduction of today's guest. Should I call Mr. Shubham Gunjar? Because he's an entrepreneur, a young trailblazer. Shubham has done his masters in marketing. He's also a company secretary and an entrepreneur. He's a dreamer who dared, a doer who delivered. He has graced the TEDx stage as well, lit up with across the country and proven that age is no more for a person who has a passion to fuel the journey. Now with the 4 different ventures, I would like to take a name. Live Events, Minions, Homies, KidPay, and his current successful venture, that is Urban Spice, where he is manufacturing and marketing and distributing all premixes and spices. That is from our own city, Nasik. Now, without rehearsal school, I extend a heartfelt welcome to each of you to this Power Back session. Now I request Principal Ma'am to please welcome Shubham to the token of love. From the life of Shubham, I would like to call Shubham to on a stage for the session along with our today's host, Parvish.
So people usually don't see like what people think now. If you're doing a business, it's an overnight success. कि इसने कल चालू किया आज तो ये बड़ा आदमी बन चुका है. No, it's not that. It's those sleepless nights. It's those early mornings you wake up. It's those things that regular people don't want to do. मुझे भी सोना पसंद है, but सुबह 6 बजे जिम क्यों जाऊँ? This is the thing that I have changed in my life. Even if I am owner of my firm, I can go late to my office ना. मैं 10, 12, 11 बजे भी जाऊँ तो भी कोई कुछ पूछने वाला नहीं है. But why do I reach up at 9 a.m. When it's the opening time? So these are the things that you have to keep in mind, and these are the things that differentiate you from the other people. That जो दूसरे नहीं करना चाहते हैं वो अगर तुम करते हो, the hard work part. So that's where founders are actually born. It was really a great session. Seeing so many kids wanted to be employers, not employees, made my day. Later on, I went to meet my teachers, visited school corridors and classrooms. I wanted to add the entire session recording in this video, but it was too long, hence a part 2 will be coming this Sunday. Stay tuned, keep sharing love. Do like, share and support this journey of mine by subscribing this channel as much as possible.